I don't know.
Why?
Cats make messes. And they're a lot of work.
That's funny. So maybe we should go to a different house has a cat. I really want to bring this drink with me.
So you want to go visit someone who has a cat?
Yeah. That drink.
I can't think of anybody that has a cat right off the bat.
Hey.
Except Grammy and Gramps.
They don't have a cat.
But they run around outside, huh?
Yeah. And they love to play drinks.
Oh, they do. I'm sure they do.
So can I bring this with us?
Sure.
They have two
That was a
pets.
big yawn, Mabel.
So I make a little one, she makes a big one. Hi.
Hi, Tallulah. What happened to your lip?
I'm so grieving and I always got.
You fell down?
Uh-huh. And it keeps bleeding and bleeding.
It only bled for a little bit. You're being over dramatic.
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 Right, you're being over dramatic.
I want to go to Max's after Granny and Greta's house.
Tutu, you okay?
Mhm.
Do you love your sister?
Mhm.
Which one?
I always like to pet Mabel.
You like to pet Mabel?
Uh-huh.
Be soft.
Oh.
You're a very soft little petter.
Hello. This is like a cowboy.